Hi everyone, I'm here with the FrontRow Juno, a truly wonderful bit of kit. But what is it and what does it do? Well, the Juno is an all-in-one classroom sound system. This means that every child in your classroom can hear their teacher. It also means that the teacher doesn't have to strain their voice to be heard. It boosts lesson participation and comprehension. What's more is that it also has a pass-around mic for the students to give them a voice to, further increasing lesson participation and engagement.
But Maisie, something so high-tech must be difficult to set up and use.
Not at all, it's so simple, even teachers can do it. Earlier today, my colleagues Lily, Dempsey and Ava showed their teacher, Mr Hunt, exactly how easy it is to set up. Check it out!
Teachers, never fear, 7-year-olds are here.
I can't work this. It's too complicated.
Mr Hunt,
Yes,
do you
Lily.
need help?
I do, Lily. This is way too complicated for me. I don't even know how to use it.
It's easy. You just
Okay.
need to plug it in
Plug it in. Why didn't I think of that?
and turn the power on.
Turn the power on.
Then wait a few seconds for it to load.
Okay, but it looks like it's loading.
And whilst it's loading, put this around your neck.
Okay, pop it around my neck. Ah, right, it's got a little clicky thing. Just click it on. Oh, can't even feel it.
And
But it's not working.
then press the button.
And oh wow, gosh, my voice is really loud now. Just by pressing that button on and off, it turns it on and off. Wow, thanks, Lily.
It's easy. Even teachers can do it.